Beautiful buttas in alternating colors in white and mustard yellow. Classic Bandhani, Gujarati Bandhani motifs here. This kind of printing is called ombre printing or progressive dye printing. Lovely, alternating jagged edge finish in red, reddish magenta contrast on the golden yellow background. A beautiful mirror work, and you also have this beautiful zari discs there. They're called katla work. Beautiful traditional motifs. It's got lovely golden zari as well in the borders. There is mirror work all over here. Beautiful mirror work. As we go along to the edge, there's a lovely lagdi patta as well. The lagdi patta has got mirror work on it. Beautiful mirror work on the sari, on the body. There's some beautiful katla work is in two sizes, smaller discs and larger discs. Contrast between the black and the Rani pink is sensational. Golden lagdi patta with mirror work again. Lovely dusky rose pink on which the background white, contrast white is very nice. The Bandhani work is nice. The Bandhani work is much closer and denser. It contrasts nicely with the muted finish of the body. Today, we're going to be looking at a fascinating craft from the state of Gujarat. The craft is called Bandhani. It's tie and dye. And combined with that, we have some products, beautiful sarees, which are mirror work from the Kutch region of Gujarat. And that's going to be the topic of today. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today, we're going to be looking at a lovely collection of Bandhani tie and dyed sarees, along with some beautiful mirror work. And the sarees have been woven in lovely Gajji silk or Mulberry silk. I'll start off showing you this particular saree. It's a beautiful, this is a lovely, fresh lime green combined with a forest green. Color is so beautiful. Let me open out the saree for you. It's beautiful. The body of the saree has got this lovely, fabulous way it's been dyed. So pretty. Beautiful tie and dye work. If you can see, very skilled all over the body. The beautiful buttas in alternating colors in white and mustard yellow. And plus, there's some beautiful Mukesh embroidery as well in the edges. Coming over to the pallu, it's got lovely traditional motifs. Classic Gujarati Bandhani motifs here, and the reverse, the Bandhani work is in white and in yellow. The dyeing is in two different colors, and if you see the body, so I'll open it out fully. The way the dyeing has been done, it's very, very exquisite. The way the coloring of the saree has been done, lovely, very, very progressive dyeing. It starts off with a darker color in the edges and goes towards a beautiful lighter green in the center. Beautifully dyed sarees. This kind of printing is called ombre printing or progressive dye printing. Ombre printing, so it's beautifully done. And on top of that ombre printing, you have this lovely way the artisans have picked the beautiful patterns to give the lovely effect. The edges, of course, are this lovely, beautiful mustard yellow. The edges are beautiful alternating triangles, beautifully jagged edges throughout from the edge to edge. It's very jagged. Of course, the pallu is very sensational with traditional beautiful patterns with beautiful motifs picked and drawn using the fingers and then tied and dyed to get this fantastic effect. Of course, the edge is the sensational lagdi patta, the beautiful gold zari edge of the pallu, which gives a fabulous effect. And both sides of the lagdi patta, you have lovely Mukesh embroidery in silver. It's like almost like stars in the sky, beautiful effect. So it's a lovely saree overall. And let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. The blouse is a plain forest green blouse, beautiful, lovely fabric. The Gajji silk feels buttery smooth. It's lovely forest green, and in the edge you have beautiful Bandhani work again, lovely tie and dye work. Both the edges have it, this side and on the other side. So this can be used to decorate the sleeves or the back. So it's a fabulously put together saree. Now we look at this beautiful, lovely golden yellow, canary yellow Bandhani Gajji silk saree. Wow, the fabric feels so soft to the touch. It's lovely. The color is beautiful. It's bright. It's the kind of color will put a smile on your face in the morning. It's a beautiful color, lovely yellow, and it's beautiful picking which has been done. Lovely Bandhani work, as you can see, beautifully picked, and with the reverse red contrast on the lovely golden yellow background, it looks fabulous. It looks fabulous. This is the body, and the edges again the same way, lovely, alternating jagged edge finish in red both on the top and the bottom. And of course, this saree the width may look small, but please remember, Bandhani sarees, many people get their sarees rolled before wearing, so this will expand out to the full length and breadth, so that's not a problem. Let's move over to the pallu of the saree. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, fabulous pallu. See the beautiful artwork which has been done on the pallu. The way the artisan has picked the thread, the fabric, and then tied it and dyed it. It's beautiful, lovely deep magenta contrast, reddish magenta contrast on the golden yellow background. And of course, beautiful, apart from the tie and dye, a beautiful mirror work, and you also have this beautiful zari zari discs there. They're called katla work. So there is mirror work and katla work on top of the beautiful tie and dye work which has been done. So overall, it's very, very grand and festive. Now coming over to the edge, you have this beautiful lagdi patta as well. The lagdi patta has got lovely mirror work and katla work as well. Beautiful finish, and of course nice zari. So the mirror work, the katla work, and the zari and the beautiful lagdi patta gives it a very, very festive and fabulous look. So this is the sari. The blouse is a plain golden yellow blouse. Of course, the blouse again has got a lovely edging bandhani work done on both sides. Beautiful deep magenta bandhani work on both sides. So this can be used to decorate the sleeves and the back. Let's move on to the next sari. Yes, this is a very traditional bandhani sari. The design is very, very traditional. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, the body has got fabulous, beautiful traditional motifs. Lovely motifs. Very, very traditional look. These patterns that you see are very classic traditional patterns. Lovely patterns. And then it's got lovely golden zari as well in the borders. And if you come closer and you see the beautiful motifs, there are elephant motifs, there are parrot motifs, sequence of motifs are there on the borders. Beautifully woven, lovely weaving. The zari is woven so intricately. It's fabulous work by the artisans. And overall, on top of the bandhani, you have lovely mirror work and katla work. The same border is repeated on this side as well. The parrots and the elephants are repeated on the top side of the sari as well. So let's move on to the pallu. See how it looks. Yes, beautiful, lovely pallu. And if you notice, the parrots and the elephant, the parrot and elephant, the same motif which is there on the border is repeated in this panel in alternating squares. There are squares, there are bandhani dots with the mirror work. So the motifs and the mirror work alternate with each other, so it has a very, very nice look. Quickly, if you look at it, almost this looks like a gachola sari, very similar design. And on both sides of the central panel, again, there are lovely, beautiful jari work on both sides. Again, the motifs, the parrot motifs and the elephant motifs are repeated. And then there are some beautiful paisleys as well. Lovely paisley motifs on both sides of the parrot motifs and the elephant motifs. And overall, it has a very, very nice impact. Of course, it's more a very classic traditional sari. So it's a monotone. The single depends on this deep red, very, very deep red. It combines with the golden sari. And of course, the blouse is again the same deep red with the lovely bandhani work on both sides, which can be used to decorate the sleeves and the back. So it's a very traditional, very classic sari. Let's move on to the next one. Nice, beautiful. This is a lovely, brilliant blue. Beautiful blue, lovely blue. I'll just open it out for you. Fabulous combination of blues here. Again, similar to that green sari, the way it's been printed, the borders on top and bottom are darker blue. Beautiful, very, very Mediterranean blue. And the center is a lovely aqua blue. And the printing is done in a way it is ombre printed, so that from the dark, the color moves gradually to a lighter color in the center. And the motifs are very, very traditional motifs, very, very traditional bandhani motifs. And the colors are contrasting with the background. Beautiful mustard yellow, and there is a white. So alternating motifs all over the body. And of course, here and there you have this specks of this beautiful mirror work and katla work as well. So it's very beautiful. The color combination is stunning. Let's see how this goes as far as the pallu is concerned. Yes, fabulous pallu. Rich, gorgeous patterns, motifs are there in the pallu. The bandhani work is truly amazing. It's a very large pallu as well. You see the pallu starts from here and extends all the way. It's a very large pallu. Beautiful pallu. And again, similar to the body, there is mirror work all over here. Beautiful mirror work here and there on top of the bandhani work, and the contrasting colors of mustard yellow and white give a very, very good impact. Plus, as we go along to the edge, there's a lovely lagdi patta as well. The lagdi patta has got mirror work on it, so it looks very sensational with the sari lines going on both sides. Overall, it's a fabulous, it's a gorgeous sari for someone who's a blue lover. The way blues have been used in this sari is something very, very special. Very special. Let's move on to the next sari. This is the last of the Gajji silk saris, and this is in a sensational black contrasted with a beautiful Rani pink. Let me open out this sari for you. Fabulous, sensational black, very slinky, very, very gleaming, extremely sensuous sari. Beautiful mirror work on the sari, on the body. There's some katla work as well. Plus, there's some beautiful katla work in two sizes, smaller discs and larger discs. So overall, it's got a very, very, it seems like a polka dots with mirrors all over the body. So this is a black sari. It looks sensational. Let's move on to the pallu. The pallu is a fabulous, gorgeous, bright Rani pink, which contrasts beautifully with the black. See the contrast, the way it works. The black and you must come closer and show the contrast between the black and the Rani pink is sensational. It's a large pallu again, beautiful work. I'll just open it out and show it like this to you so that you can understand the motifs. See, as you can see, there is one row of elephant motifs on top. In the center, these are all dancing girls. Again, in the bottom, there's one more row of elephants. So beautiful work. And in between all of these, there's lovely mirror work as well. Lovely mirror work, which sets off the beautiful patterns which are formed by the Bandhani work. Now, these patterns look very simple, but please remember, in Bandhani, to achieve this, the artisan has to pick and pinch parts of the cloth. He has to mark it by pinching. All over, he marks it by pinching, and then it's tied with a thread, then dipped into the vat, and after it comes out, it's dried and the threads are pulled out, and then the patterns come out. So it's very difficult it's easy to get dots and dashes, but to get this pattern, a dancing girl or an elephant, on this is very, very intricate, very complicated work. So truly the artisan has done fabulous work in achieving this in the pallu. Because it goes towards the end, there's a lagni patta, golden lagni patta with mirror work again, all over the lagni patta and in the edges also, with some katla work as well. And overall, therefore, it's a stunning sari. It's starting with the black, the way it's contrasted with the bright Rani pink, with the fabulous, sensational work on the motif, the dancing girls and the elephants, ending with the lagni patta. It's a fabulous sari. Now, we'll move on to Mulberry silks. Wow, what a difference in the feel. It's the same silk, but Mulberry silk, the feel of Mulberry silk is so very different. The Mulberry silk collection is a little understated, more elegant and very, very, very classic looking patterns. Not as sensational as in the Gajji silk, but nevertheless, it looks fabulous. Very, very pretty. I'll just open it out. I think I need to open out the sari for you to enjoy the whole thing. Yeah, beautiful. The body is lovely, beautifully designed, very delicate work, though it doesn't look so sensational. The way the pattern, the star patterns and the dots in between on the body and in the edges, the beautiful folklore motif. It's monotone. So on the pink, beautiful pink, it's a lovely dusky rose pink on which the background white, contrast white is very nice. The Bandhani work is nice with some lovely mirror work as well. Beautiful mirror work as well. This is the body. The same pattern of the border is repeated on the top. So let's see what the pallu looks like. Very nice. The pallu is very, very pretty. Beautiful. The same what we saw in the border, the same folklore motif in the border. The same folklore is repeated much closer to each other. The Bandhani work, the artisan has picked it very, very close. So the folklores are in formation throughout the pallu. And of course, there is mirror work as well all over. And these little star booty formations are also there. So it looks very pretty. And because the Bandhani work is much closer and denser, it contrasts nicely with the muted finish of the body. So the contrast in the pallu really comes from the very closely done Bandhani work rather than the color. So that is how the artisan has made the difference between the body and the pallu. So it's very, very intricate work, very nice work. And the blouse is, let's look at the blouse. The blouse is very pretty, lovely dusky rose, beautiful dusky rose blouse, which is matched with the sari. And overall, it's a very classy, very nice, understated, muted, beautiful look for the sari. Please come over to the Avishya store. We are at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you this sari and the entire collection of beautiful Bandhani Gajji silk saris. Please come over to our store. We'll be very happy to show it to you. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Bandhani Gajji silk saris and Bandhani Mulberry silk saris are there online. Our online service staff will be happy to answer all your queries and help to clarify your doubts. You can definitely come over online and take a look at the entire collection. They'll also tell you how to add your product to cart and place an order so that it gets delivered right to your home. Whether you're in India or international or you're an international resident, you can get your sari shipped right to your doorstep. We ship to over 40 countries. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.